If you've already made my big batch homemade iced coffee, watch what happens next. This iced coffee took me 3 minutes to make and tastes like an $8 coffee house specialty drink. We're going to start off with marshmallow cream. Put it on the back of a spoon and just spoon it on the inside of your cup. Now let's get some chocolate syrup. Just put enough at the bottom of your cup. Get your frother because we're going to get fancy. Dip your frother in that chocolate, pick it up, turn it on, and you've got a beautiful little chocolate line. Just do that a few times. I did it 4 times. 4 beautiful chocolate syrup lines. Look at how fancy we are. Now, let's go ahead and fill it up with some ice. Let's get our pre-made homemade iced coffee that we did the other day. Fill it up. Look at that, how delicious already. Get some cold foam. I went for the Dunkin' because we want this nice, quick, and easy. So we are out the door in the morning. I even went ahead and crushed some chocolate graham crackers. Put them over the top because, like I said, we are as fancy as the coffee shop. Get your viral Walmart sip cups because, again, we're fancy. And you cannot tell me that you did not stop at that fancy little coffee shop and pay at least $8 for this specialty s'mores iced coffee. I hope you try it. Don't forget to try my big batch coffee. That's the beginning of this deliciousness.